Hi Tigers, today we're going to talk about interesting invertebrates by Karen Jones. The snail, jellyfish, spider, and butterfly all have something in common. They are members of a group of animals known as invertebrates. Scientists put animals into groups based on their similarities. There are 6 main groups that we put animals into to study and learn more about them. The groups are reptiles, birds, fish, amphibians, mammals, and invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that do not have backbones. There are over 1 million different invertebrate species that live on Earth. Here's an example of one, the garden fruit chafer. How they breathe. Some invertebrate animals live on land. Worms, spiders, scorpions, and insects like the grasshopper, bumblebee, and butterfly are all invertebrates that live on land and breathe air. How they breathe. Some invertebrate animals live in the water. Creatures like crabs, jellyfish, octopuses, starfish, clams, shrimp, coral, and snails live in or around water. These type of invertebrates can breathe underwater. Body. Invertebrates move in different ways. Some, like the caterpillar, spider, and ant, use legs to crawl. Others, like the moth, ladybug, and mosquito, use wings to fly. Invertebrates like the worm have no legs and instead use muscles in their bodies to move. Body. Water invertebrates move differently too. Squid and octopuses use tentacles to push themselves through the water. Lobster and shrimp use legs and their tails to move along the ground or swim. Clams and sea stars have feet that help them dig and move. That's a picture of an octopus. Food. Invertebrates eat different things. Some are carnivores like spiders and squid. They eat other animals and insects. This is a picture of a spider eating a grasshopper. And I don't know what kind of spider that is, but his body looks like a watermelon. Caterpillar. Oh, the title of this slide is Food. Other invertebrates are herbivores, like the cricket and caterpillar. They eat only plant life. Some invertebrates, like the crayfish and carpenter ant, are omnivores. They eat both plants and other animals. How they reproduce. Most invertebrates are hatched from eggs. Some lay eggs underwater, and some lay eggs in the ground, on plants, or in nests. How they reproduce. Some invertebrates reproduce differently. The sea star can reproduce by cutting off one of its legs, which can then grow into another sea star. And you see in the picture on the right, the sea star is regenerating. Habitats. Invertebrates live on land, in the water, and under the ground. They live all over the world in many different kinds of habitats. Some invertebrates live in cold waters, like the giant squid. Others, like flower scarab beetles and bullet ants, live in hot rainforests. How they adapt. Invertebrates have many different body parts, coverings, and behaviors that help them to survive in their habitats. Butterflies and walking sticks use their body shape and color to camouflage themselves. Scorpions and bees have painful stings that keep predators away. Animals like clams and sea urchins use their coverings to protect them from predators. Some jellyfish are clear, which makes it hard for predators to see them. Cool fact, have you ever found a pretty looking shell on the beach? Many people don't realize that these shells are homes to invertebrates. The shells protect the animals from predators and strong water currents. After the animals die, people collect their shells and use them for decoration. And that animal in that shell is called a cardium. Invertebrates are one of the many types of animals alive today. Now, what do we know about invertebrates? Go ahead and grab your workbook.